You know what? I'll take pictures.
13, right?
I'll take pictures.
Okay.
Yeah, that we ran them all. They're all good. No, Rory.
He wants all the information. Do you want me to? Do we know whose gun belongs to who? He wants to know that too.
Oh, really? Okay.
So, si quieres te ayudo.
I guess a picture of them and the gun.
That's what I would do.
Gun.
Yep, that's what I would do. So, start out who disarmed them. Does anybody want to start?
We all did.
Okay.
But hold on. I'll just ask.
Start with
This one here, Gutierrez. Which one of the arms is
I have the 19C. It is the Gen 4. It's the one directly in front of your left knee, correct? And I have a spare mag with that. They're stacked on top of each other.
your Carlos, right?
Yes, ma'am. And I also have the Airlight Smith & Wesson J-frame.
So that and this was yours.
Correct. That.
What'd you say about the mag?
The two mags that are directly in front of you. Yes, they should be Federal HSTs, not the Hornady.
Not that?
Those are. That looks like a 40 to me.
This one.
Yeah, that one's one, and then there's another spare mag somewhere. It's in front of my flashlight. Yes, ma'am. That one.
Yeah.
This one? Correct. That one right there.
So this
Those
and
are
this.
mine.
This and this.
Those two. Yes, that ammunition.
Put it here.
And
Yes.
my chambered round is right next to the PPS magazine. Correct. Or maybe not. Is that an HST or is that a? Okay, so then it's the one directly next to my flashlight, right in front of the beam, right there. Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so this guy owns this stuff.
Alright, get the, what I want.
Yeah, man. You're playing around.
Volteamela ahí para poder tomar la parte de arriba y no saca mi mano. The part on top.
Oh, what do you want? The serial number? It's right here.
There, like that. The other way. It's upside down. I found print on that.
It's not on the side?
No, I'm trying to come out.
Right there.
Mind if I scratch my nose again? I don't want to stand up right now.
I want it to come out with this. Perfect. And this one is under. Oh, right. Charlie.
Okay. And when you do, text that to me now. That way it'll be all separate from everything else. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So this.
Let me put this over there.
Make sure you can read that.
Hold on. It's just separate. Wait. Separate everything right there, so it won't roll off this one.
Put that together with this.
Okay, face the other way.
This big man right there.
No. Like girl body. Just turn it the other way.
Chris, which one is yours? Turn back around.
The Walther.
Huh?
The Walther. The Walther.
This?
Yeah, the
Okay.
Walther. It's a Glock.
This magazine?
Is that it?
Yeah, that's one magazine. Stop. I'm coming in.
That's it for first, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yep.
This your wallet, Chris?
I don't think that's the
I'm
mag.
talking about this your wallet?
Yeah, that's my wallet.
Oh, it's the same people that make the Walter PPK, right?
That's not my mag.
Kind of.
Oh, yeah, that is
That's
my
your mag.
I'm sorry.
not?
I'm
It's
sorry.
matches.
I'm sorry.
Technically,
This your wallet,
Smith
Chris?
& Wesson purchased Walther for a
Put it
while,
in your hat.
so they were making some of those, and then I think Walther branched off again. But the original PPK is the old school German-made ones.
Right.
And
Oh, so it was never them?
This is
Yeah,
the
that's
guy
why
that they took to
They're, actually, Walthers are awesome. Their new models are badass. They work real well. Ergos are good,
Is that
and they're relatively inexpensive.
Sean Patrick? Is that
Old rep.
one at the end?
Shot the PPQ, the Walther. Pretty phenomenal. Stock market.
That's with him. You put his ID there? Christopher's?
Who's next?
Let's get Sean.
He never. No, he didn't have a gun.
He didn't?
No.
You don't have any? That's it? Yeah, it's right there.
Right there.
This?
Come in. If you want it, you want to take that?
No, but still take a picture of it. And then
Give me
send
that,
it.
just in case.
And then send it. That way I know it's the knife.
Damn it.
Damn. That's a big hunk of seaweed.
Good job.
You fry that, right?
Yeah, they eat seaweed.
Let's go with Jonah, I believe, the guy over there.
What's his name?
Jonah?
Jonah. What gun was yours?
The Glock 19 with threaded barrel.
Is there only one?
Two Glock 19.
Threaded barrel. So it's this one.
That's his extra bullet right there.
He only has one?
Which one's his mag? What ammo did your mag have in it? What ammo did your mag have?
It had a stagger between a silver livery.
Plus piece?
Yeah, that's this.
Yeah. That one and that.
Those plus piece.
Those function well in your
I was about to say, they ain't no good ammo.
They don't run through my 17 at all. They like to feed on every single round.
Plus P, not no good ammo.
I don't know why.
That's his. Oh, he's staggered.
Yeah, he's staggered.
Response to the area of 23rd Street and Day Boulevard, 23rd Street and Day Boulevard, is going to be reference to a 20. Question about the traffic monitor.
Who's next? His, right?
Traffic light.
And yours is what, 19 also?
Intersection. They're receiving a service signal. Follow on.
And your mag was what? The little red tips? Little red
I don't
tips?
see an ID here for him.
The red tips?
Yeah, I believe so.
Cornady?
Yeah, but I think that's a 40 that you have in your hand, sir. I think his
Oh,
the
so-
one that's
Oh, but he said.
correct.
This one right here.
Oh, the mag is a 40.
Yes.
Question, he doesn't have an ID here.
He doesn't have a what?
ID? Where's his
This
ID?
is right.
Oh, I never ran him? I didn't take your ID? Yes, I did.
I got it. It had Sean. Does he have a concealed weapons permit?
Might have fallen.
Yeah.
Oh, do you see it?
Stand up for me.
I don't think I took it from him, but
Wait.
you had your conceals in there, right?
What's that?
You had your conceals in there, right?
It's in his wallet?
Yeah.
Do you want?
Yeah, I'll put it. This you, man? This is a long time ago.
Yeah, it's been a little while.
Grades,
It
bro.
expires in a couple years. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's for that.
Did you run this? Did you guys run the concealed?
No. I didn't run the conceals. But none of them have a pass.
That works.
West Palm,
Okay.
Port St. Lucie.
Shall we come back?
Huh?
Shall we come back?
One came back with an
did
under.
they? They got a chopper on it?
Gutierrez.
They're always fine. That guy always finds a way.
Who's the
We'll talk soon.
Who's the 40 belong to?
Oh, he's right there. I didn't see him.
Not here.
Who the 40 belong to?
He was carrying a 40.
Probably
Was it
avoidance in
Michael?
the car.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
Avoidance
Michael.
in the car.
That's him?
Yeah, that's the one that's in the car.
This is also his.
That's his?
Yeah.
All of that stuff?
Yeah.
So this is the last guy?
Alright.
You took it already?
No, not the last one. Does he have a concealed weapons permit?
Yeah, but he probably has it in his wallet. You're sending them individual, right?
Yep. So we won't have two because the serial number. You'll see two pictures because you'll see the top and you'll see the. The serial number.
Yes.